Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and production graduates. So name of the company is Reliance. Now they are recruiting a mechanical maintenance engineer in Pan India. So company website is given here. You can go there and check the details. Regarding the company, you all know very well. Jio Platform is creating a massive digital ecosystem for $1 billion with domain expertise. So the platform have a company which will not just provide a world-class fixed mobile converged connectivity but also digital solution across business vertical level and customer life cycle. So I'll provide all the informations in the description. You just have a glance of it and then act accordingly. So designation will be a mechanical maintenance engineer. So who can apply? Those are having diploma, bachelor degree in mechanical and production engineering can apply. At least 2 years of experience or 7 years of diploma of maintenance with few years of experience in the plant is required. The role will be permanent one and job location is in Pan India. Salary as per the company norms. So these are things which you need to execute and do. You need to execute mechanical maintenance with high quality. You need to supervise the mechanical maintenance task to ensure the quality. You need to mobilize your resources for day-to-day mechanical maintenance activity and prepare mechanical maintenance budget. Participate in reliability and integrity and studies as identified. So many points are there. Slowly have a glance of it, and it will be very much memorable and not memorable. Sorry, it will be very much helpful for you to further apply and grab the job. So below that there will be a link. I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, once you accept it means they will be contacting you. No, once they accept it means they themselves will contact you. So kindly have a frequent check of your mail ID and mobile number. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to your friends. It will be very much helpful. Kindly subscribe and share the video to all your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.